what do I do at halftime of a truck pull? Well, if you go out to purchase your peanuts, you may miss the big show.
Well, it's hot action all the way around. I believe we've been invaded. Look at him, all over up over the jump, and he makes it. We're having a little demonstration. Intermission. It was going the wrong way on that jump. Red Baron Remote Control Hobbies from Aurora, Colorado.
He's gonna crush it, crush it, crush it.
Oh. Wheel standing action. Look at him fly down the track. Our cameramen are going berserk trying to follow this action. Oh, Endo. Luckily, no one's hurt. We're going to look at this on a replay. Now, what happens? He gets really set up for the jump and misses it with two wheels, upside down, flips over, and it is a tragic way to end a racing career. But he's back on his feet. He's ready to go, and he's out on the track. There he goes, a spin around. It's a donut. Now, look at this. This is a 4.5 twist with a somersault in the middle. All right, Ken Broo, wow. Have you ever wanted to own your own monster truck?
My goodness. You've heard of Bigfoot. I guess that's Big Toe there, huh?
This is the way to own your own monster. These guys are really going berserk. All over the track, little action. There's the monster. Front and rear steering, just like the real thing. Watch him line up for the jump. Ooh, pretty rough little ride over that. We got a wheel bearing going bad on the right rear on that one. Look at that.
He's looking for something to crush.
He found it.
Crush it, crush it,
He found it.
Yeah!
Right over the top of it.
Ooh.
The front end is definitely going down on it. But he's still wide open.
Uh-oh, he's right. We got people killed.
No. We've got a demo derby. Now we're going to crush some stuff. Clodbuster.
Oh, that's it. Get her.
Yeah. Crush some stuff on it. I will crush that later. Uh-oh, upside down. Back on its wheel. These look like... Let's see it on a replay.
Oh, my.
The demo derby wipes things out. Just cleans the track.